Hello, hello, friends. Look what came today. Look what came today. It's a sub box. Let's pop her open. Well, first, let's cut the edge. Then we'll pop it open. All right. I have high hopes for this, you guys. So, we'll see. But I like this. I know people were saying it looks like Grandma's curtains. It's okay, girl. I like Grandma's curtains. Okay. The huge sets. I'm not looking in the book, but I can tell you this. There's no big free item, so I might have got something missed, maybe? Maybe they're not giving free items anymore. So let me say this before I start looking, you guys. Just remember that I just bought 5 mystery sets for $20. So these are apparently 4 mystery sets for $30. Vanilla Romance. I'm probably not going to like this. Yeah, I mean, this looks an awful lot like last month's. Shoot, I don't think I have. I think I just set that aside before. So it's like a sandy sparkle. Hang on, now I gotta look. Next one's called Delicate Desire. Delicate Desire. Let's look. Yeah, this is making me think of Celestial Champagne. So, there's that. Okay. Delicate Desires. Well, that's kind of cool. Not my jam, for sure. I don't like an up and down ombre. I might like it like this if I flip it, which is harder with Frenches because I can't get 2 out of it. Okay, these laced and floral are going to be what I'm hoping are decent. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see right here, which is this. Did I want to see it in a French tip? Not really, but it's fine. Yeah, I love that. Love, love, love that. So I'll see, like, if somebody got the box and was like, oh, I hate that, but I love whatever, I'll see if somebody wants to trade me. Okay, Laced in Love, be a good overlay. Oh, yes, yes, and yes. Okay, so these two made the whole thing worth it for me. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, and it's all done in the plummy colors. Hell yes, you guys. Gorgeous. Love it. These 2 sets, so much. Not these 2 sets. If anybody's looking at these going, but Stacy, those are awesome. Hit me up if you want to trade for either of these. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's look in the catalog, though, because I didn't get a free item. Was I not supposed to? Bonus item. Treat yourself to something sweet on us. You'll receive a $10 gift card via email the 2nd week of January. Okay. So, and that's fine to me. Whatever. I don't care. But let me tell you this. If they consider the bonus item to be a $10 value, like that says a lot about the bonus items, right? At least to me. Yeah, okay. And they're calling this one crochet, which if you watched any of my what's coming in 2024, that's big. Texture's big. Nude blush, not for me. Yeah, I love this one though. That's exactly what I wanted to see. All right, friends, there you go. Hope that helps. If anybody wants to trade, you hit me up. because these two got 0 interest for me. But these two I really do like. This is good right here. This is really good too, but this is good. All right, have a good one, guys.